Welcome to a Nonsense Wars filler video. I built this weighted seesaw counter in college, and I thought of it when I built my seesaws module for the Great Ball Pit Challenge this year. Much like with the old trains, I never posted this footage because the infrastructure to do so wasn't quite as readily available at the time. This closed system cycled marbles instead of Lego balls and had a cued lift that ensured the paddles on the chain always loaded something. On the downside, each time a row emptied, the first marble populated the next row and the rest would recycle. If tuned properly, it could act as a clock. Nonetheless, the build includes some common GBC elements like a chain lift and a stepper, making it sort of a proto-GBC. It even had a gravity tensioner, though not nearly as polished, long before my extensible chain lift. On the flip side, it has a very long, very strange, and very inefficient drivetrain that I would not build today, though that may have been the point.